In 1993, a man convinced 76 people he was God's final messenger. They would all die believing him. David Koresh built his kingdom in a compound outside Waco, Texas. He preached that the apocalypse was coming, that only his followers would be saved. When federal agents came to arrest him for weapons violations, Koresh was ready. The shootout killed 10 people instantly. What followed was 51 days of psychological warfare. Koresh told his followers this was the end times he had predicted. They were trapped, surrounded, but he promised they would rise from the dead. On April 19th, FBI teams stormed the compound with tear gas. Then something horrifying happened. Fires erupted simultaneously in 3 different locations. Within hours, the entire compound was engulfed. 76 people burned alive. 25 were children. The evidence suggested the fires were set from inside. Koresh's followers had chosen death over surrender. They believed their prophet's final promise. They believed they would be resurrected. They were wrong.